Okay, so now we're going to go through a modified angry cat. An angry cat's a very common movement in yoga. We're going to slightly change this. The whole point of this exercise is that we want to inhibit or relax the lower back muscles. So this is a really good exercise to do, particularly if you are tight, you've got a little bit of lower back soreness and discomfort, okay, or you're preparing up to the part of warm-up exercise. So this is how we do it. Come down onto your hands and knees or on your 4 points. So make sure that you get the shoulder over the wrist and bring the hip over the knee. And just slightly shift your weight forward so you feel even weight through both palms. Now I'm going to take a breath in. As we breathe in, I want to really push through my left palm. So I'm going to breathe in and push my middle of my upper back towards the ceiling. Pause, and I'm going to breathe out. I'm going to tuck my tailbone under, pull my belly button up. I'm going to breathe in, push the middle of my spine towards the ceiling. Pause, breathe out, tuck my tailbone, pull my belly button in. So I'm really going to activate my abdominals here. And one more time to breathe in, breathe out, tuck the tail, pull the belly button in, and relax, let it go down. Okay. So really focus on getting the push through that left palm particularly. It just helps out really to kind of get the left diaphragm fired up. We want to focus a bit more on the left versus the right diaphragm. Okay. So we'll run through it again. So set up, shoulders over wrists. Eyes looking just between your hands. Okay, breathe in. Hold, breathe out. Tuck your tailbone under. Pull the belly button into the spine. Breathe in, push the middle of the back up to the ceiling. Breathe out, tuck the tailbone under. Tuck the chin a little. Hold, breathe in. Breathe out. And then relax. So we want to do this move about 3 to 5 times. So that's 3 breaths, breathe in, pause, breathe out, really tuck the tail, breathe in, pause, breathe out, abs, glutes on, tuck that tailbone under, breathe in, breathe out, tuck that tailbone under. That's 1 repetition. Come back to neutral, reset, and do that again another 2 to 4 times. Okay. Or until you start to feel like your back's starting to loosen off a little bit. Key points here is that on the in-breath, you're really pushing through the palms and thinking about your upper back going towards the ceiling, so going up towards the ceiling. Second point is on the out-breath, you've got to really get into that posterior pelvic tilt. You've got to really tuck your tailbone under. Bit of a glute squeeze if you need it. Definitely draw the belly button into the spine. Get that co-contraction happening. Okay. Pause with the out-breath. Breathe in again. Okay. Third one. Follow your breath, let that guide the movement. Okay, if you can't physically go any further up because you've totally rounded out and you're totally flexed, that's okay, you're good.